Hi, I'm Jericho Alba, a graduating student from Our Lady of Fatima University. Back while I was searching internship opportunity online, I spent days looking for a company that welcomes OJT like me. While searching the internet, I came across a website named Inventive Media. Inventive Media offers a wide range of courses and primarily focus on IT, and which is related to what I've been looking for. When I was accepted into Inventive Media's apprenticeship program, the experience exceeded my expectations, and I'm immensely thankful for the opportunity to participate in such remarkable program. And I can say that being here has been an absolute blast, and I've had an incredibly enjoyable experience. The quality and the teaching is a top notch. The trainers are extremely approachable. They are always ready to assist their students, and I can personally vouch that they won't allow me to fall behind on any of the topics. Inventive Media is a good friend of ours. Join Inventive Media.